And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44. When you step outside, you're going to notice a difference. It is a little bit warmer this morning compared to yesterday. And we're at 64 degrees in El Sauz to 69 in Sullivan City. Good morning to you in Rio Hondo. You're checking in at 67, and it's currently 61 degrees in La Sara. Now, although temperatures are in the 60s, our humidity has crept up courtesy right now of an east wind, mainly between 3 and 7 miles per hour and relatively calm in Weslaco, and even a southeast wind in Port Isabel near 5 miles per hour. Regardless, that wind has been drawing in that lower level moisture, and today it's going to shift more out of the southeast, and it'll pick up just after mid-morning. So you see about 9:30, 10:30, that's whenever the winds start to become slightly elevated. We're not looking at a very breezy afternoon, but be 8 to 16 miles per hour, gusting occasionally near 20 miles per hour, so kind of like it was yesterday. But that is going to add to the humidity levels in our atmosphere. So let's take a look here at Future Track. We start the clock at 6, we head to 8. Not much change over the next couple of hours, but there will be increasing cloud cover throughout the day. You start to see it mid-morning and especially in the afternoon. There will be times where the clouds will thin out and then they'll thicken back up again. For the most part, I don't really expect a whole bunch of rain, but there could be an isolated sprinkle or two. Most of the valley is going to be on the dry side, though. Future Track also shows that by early tomorrow morning, there's going to be thick clouds overhead with a mainly cloudy and pretty mild night. Now, looking ahead, there is a cold front headed to the RGV. It's expected to arrive late Wednesday night going into early Thursday morning. Now, ahead of that front, we could have some strong storms possible. It doesn't mean everybody in the valley is going to get one of those strong storms. And what it does mean is that there could be an isolated storm developing within the showers and thunderstorms that come ahead of this front, and with that it could produce gusty winds, maybe even some hail. It is possible and something that we'll continue to watch. But as high pressure settles in for the weekend, it looks like we're going to be dry from about Thursday afternoon on. So we're looking at a pretty decent rain chance as we head into Wednesday night. But so Wednesday afternoon, we could even get maybe a stray shower. I think this particular model's overdoing it on how much rain we will see. But here we go. As we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, there goes that line of showers. And with any part of the shower line, there could be that isolated thunderstorm embedded there, and then behind that we could have maybe a few showers to deal with Thursday morning before it clears out for Thursday afternoon. We're at the marginal risk for that severe weather potential from the Storm Prediction Center for Wednesday going into Thursday, so just keep that in mind. It's something that we'll continue to track as it gets closer. Your rain chances, we're bumping them up to 60% Wednesday night and back to 20% early Thursday morning before it dries out. So here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 89 today, followed by 95 tomorrow ahead of this front. And then here we go. Behind the front, 84 degrees. Your overnight lows will dip down to about the mid 70s tonight and then the upper 60s tomorrow night. Thursday night will be the coldest, near 58 degrees. We'll rebound to a nice 88-degree day for Cinco de Mayo after spending Thursday cool and breezy near 84, a lot less humid too. Humidity returns by the end of the weekend, and we're in the upper 80s, low 90s by day. By night, we're in the mid to upper 60s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.